Sit na lang. Kami ang change na.
Nakalimutan ko yung akin.
Pareho kay si Kuya.
Hindi natin naman, meron na silang nakalagay sa bell. Lalagay ko din sa iyo.
Cheng! Cheng! Cheng!
Yung kay Anya, yung nakalagay sa ulo niya.
Cheng! Cheng!
So, good morning again, everyone, children and parents. Okay, so we'll begin our program.
Hindi ko yan, magbibigay na. Makakayo na.
Teacher Ben.
Yes, I would like to request all the students roaming around. You have your available seat here. You may sit for the gold team.
For the red team, yes.
Yes, for the red team. You have there your chairs. For the green team, coming from blue team,
Yeah.
you have there your chairs also. For the parents, we still have a lot of available chairs. You can lay down there if you want.
Lay down. Okay, just sit. Okay. Okay. So,
Mamaya namin. Ginawa lang namin.
again. Okay. So, may I hear all the group? Okay. Are you listening? Are you
Can you hear your
listening?
yield?
Okay. Are you listening? Okay. Can you clap all the go team? Clap everyone. Go. Go team only. Go team.
Where's the glow team? There.
Go. So, what about
Grow team.
yes, go team. Okay. Go team. Okay. Have. Okay, again. Grow team. Have. Okay, very good. Okay, so let's see.
How
How about
the energetic groove team?
yes, the energy. Energy team. Okay. Have. Okay, go group. Have. Okay. Parang wala na tayo sa walang memory sa
Merlin
sa
lang
blue team,
eh.
ah. Okay. Okay. So